this video, we're going to show you how you use the ProLogic entry pad connected to multiple locks, and you can authorize who is eligible to open which locks. Here's how you do that. Press the menu button, scroll down to System Menu, press OK, and now either a manager code or a super code can do this. So let's do it with the manager code. And you're going to scroll down until you see Authorized Locks. Authorized Locks, and press OK. Now it says from user 3, and I can change that to whatever users I want. But let's say I want all of users 3 and up, to be able to open it. So from user 3, yes, to user, well, let's say 6. From 3 to 6, I'm setting right now. Press OK. And it says, which locks would you like them to be able to open? Well, you'll see this as locks 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says authorize, XXXX. By pressing the number, you can specify which locks they're allowed to open. So let's say those users, 3 to 6, are only able to open door 2 and not able to open door number 1. Then we'd set it XOXX. If we wanted them to be able to open no locks, you change them all to X's. If I wanted to open just lock number 1, then I can do that. And then they wouldn't be able to open lock 2. And I press OK. And now what it's going to do is it's not going to allow the users 3 and 4 to open lock number 2. They can open lock number 1, but they can't open lock number 2. So let me show you how that would work for that user. He's now not able to open lock 2. So I enter 3333333. This is user code 3. And it says select lock. I'm going to say 2, unauthorized. I'm not allowed to open lock number 2. But you'll see that I can open lock number 1 because I've been authorized to do so. And it opens lock number 1, and away I go. So that's how you set up the number of users who are able to open particular locks. Now, you set ranges of users. So you saw I set from 3 to 6. I could go back and add another one that says from 7 to 9. User 7 to user 9 can open this set of doors. Or you can just do one user. So let's say I only wanted user number 5 to be able to open door number 2. I could go in and say from user 5 to user 5 and set them up so that they can only open door number 2. So that's how you authorize who can open which locks in a multi-lock system.